Hello everyone. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of transferring money to other players in GTA 5 Online. If you've completed a job and want to share your earnings with friends or others in your session, this guide will explain exactly how to do that. Just follow each step carefully and you'll be able to send cash quickly and without any trouble. The first thing to do is open the interaction menu. This is where most player-related options in the game can be found. If you're using a console, hold down the touchpad on your controller. That's the small button located in the center. Keep holding it until the interaction menu shows up on the left side of your screen. For those playing on a PC, press and hold the M key on your keyboard. Continue holding it until the menu appears on the left side of your display. With the interaction menu open, use your joystick or arrow keys to scroll through the available options. You're looking for the one labeled Inventory. Select it to bring up the Inventory submenu. Within the Inventory section, scroll until you find the Cash option. Choose this to access the cash-related settings. From here, select the feature called Share Cash from Last Job. This function lets you distribute money earned during your most recent mission or activity. After choosing this, you'll see a list of players who are currently in your session. These are the individuals you can share money with. Select the player to whom you'd like to transfer funds. Use the navigation controls to adjust the percentage of your earnings you'd like to share. You can increase or decrease this amount depending on how much you want to give. After setting the correct amount and confirming the right player, scroll to the bottom and select Accept. The money will then be transferred right away. It's important to understand that this method only works with money gained from your most recent job. You won't be able to send funds from your overall bank account, only what was earned in that specific activity. That's everything you need to know in order to transfer money to other players in GTA 5 Online. Thank you for watching.